hanamizuponko. I'm gonna teach you katakana by using everyday words. Japanese has 3 alphabets and katakana is one of them. Katakana is a syllable that is often used for transcriptions of foreign languages, expressing your feelings, or onomatopoeias. Also, katakana has the same characters as hiragana, but it's just written and used differently. Okay, today's katakana is kakikukeko. Kan 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 kan. Sound of the railroad crossing. Kira kira. Sparkly. Croissant. Croissant. Ketsu. Bat. Cup. Sometimes Japanese transforms foreign languages into totally different words like croissant. So, when I came to United States, I couldn't say croissant for a long time. That's why lots of other language speakers have a hard time with katakana. Okay, see you next time.